G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to integrate my mustache back into my beard. What does that mean? It means my mustache is too long because a couple of weeks ago I shaved the rest of my beard off, just leaving the mustache. But now as there's hair getting longer on the rest of my beard, I want to tighten and tidy that up and trim my mustache down a bit, just so my beard can catch up to it. I have an event in a couple of weeks and I'm attending, and I want to have a nice 1 month-ish beard for that. And so yeah, this video I will show you what I'm going to do. So step one is going to be to shave the neck and the cheek lines, and then step two, I'm going to use a comb and a trimmer to just trim down the mustache just a little bit. I don't mind if the mustache hairs are a bit longer. Here goes. Okay, that is the first part done. The second part is going to be a bit trickier, and that is to trim down the stash. I'll show you just how long the mustache hairs are. You can see there. Alright, that is about as short as I think I need to go. The beard will catch up. But yeah, as you can see now, it's starting to look more like a beard and less like a mustache with some other facial hair. Let me know what you think below of this look. I will update you in a couple of weeks and you'll see that these hairs should catch up a bit more to the mustache. That is the video for today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time.